TARS AI is one of the most hyped AI coins in the crypto space. In 1 month, we saw a price increase over 340%. But what are the long-term price targets for TARS AI? In this video, I will talk about TARS AI and share my price prediction for the future. TARS AI is one of the smaller AI coins and the only one which is backed from the Solana Foundation. So TARS AI combines the AI niche and the Solana niche. And as I said, in November, we saw this massive price increase. And in a video 2 months ago, I talked about TARS AI. We were at 13 cents and I said the chance is high that we will see a breakout soon to the upside. And as you can see, after this video, we saw this massive bullish price increase for TARS AI. If you don't want to miss information like this, then subscribe to this channel. So TARS AI is fundamentally extremely interesting. On the website, we are finding some very nice utility for TARS AI. It has multiple utility, so I think it's a very nice project. And we have some very big partners behind TARS AI, so the chance that we can see higher prices in the near future is there. And of course, we have much trust in this project because it's backed by Solana. And we saw this massive price increase for Solana in the last year. At the 22nd November, we saw this all-time high. And of course, then TARS AI also exploded to the upside, but we saw this all-time high here in the mid of December. So while Solana was going to the downside, TARS AI moved to the upside even more. So this is very bullish. And if we're comparing this downwards move for Solana, which is going longer now in this bearish smaller structure, TARS AI could hold because smaller coins, they are most likely crashing even more than like big coins like Solana. But TARS AI is holding in this zone right here. As you can see, we are finding some support multiple times between 25 cents and 28. And this is of course because we have this supply zone right here. We broke through this zone and now we find multiple support. And if we're using the Fibonacci tool for this whole latest swing, you can also see that we found some support at the 61.8 Fibonacci, which is a really good sign at 25 cents. So it's backed by Solana and it's an AI coin. And I think the AI sector is one of the biggest narratives for this bull run. And TARS AI has now a market cap of $200 million. So there's much money in this coin, but we have a higher potential for this bull run. And TARS AI is a relatively new coin and it's performing better than some coins like ZigChain and also Solidos AI Tech. So I'm definitely for the long run very bullish for this project. For example, also if we look at the markets, we have Bybit, Maxi, Gate.io and also Blofin, Bitunix. So we already are listed on very nice markets. But if we are getting the Binance listing, then the chance that TARS AI will explode to the upside is very high. And as I said, I see a lot of potential in the AI space. For example, Near Protocol has a market cap of $5.8 billion. And if we are seeing the AI coins exploding in this bull run, then the chance is high that we'll see even higher market caps. And if TARS is breaking the last all-time high, then the next potential price targets are the 65 cents, 90 cents, and we have this potential price targets over $1. And I think this one is very realistic for this bull run. I'm personally very bullish and think we can see prices like $3 to $4 for TARS AI. Then we would have a market cap of around $2 to $3 billion, and I think this is very realistic for TARS AI. And if we would compare TARS AI right now to Render token, we would have a potential of $9, and I think this could be also possible for this bull run. Of course, this would be very optimistic, but if their AI coins are going to the upside and TARS AI is one of the better smaller coins right now, then we could see also prices like this. So on the long run, I'm definitely very bullish for TARS AI, but at what prices I could buy some more. I think right now is also a great chance to get into TARS AI around 30 cents. Of course, if we're coming back into the zone again between 25 and 28 cents, this would be an amazing chance to get into TARS AI. Of course, when the whole crypto market is going to the downside, then the next very interesting zone is between 20 cents and 22. If we are seeing bullish price action right here, can hold us. I think this would also be a great chance to get into more TARS. But if the bull run is going to the upside, then we can see higher prices in the near future, especially if we are breaking again the 33 cents, then I think the chance is high that we're going to go directly to 42 cents. And if we can also break this one, then we have the last all-time high at nearly 50 cents. And if you want to buy TARS AI, you can do this on Blofin. Blofin has no KYC and very low trading fees. And with my link, you get 20% trading fee rebate on top. So all in all, TARS AI is one of the most hyped projects in the crypto space backed by the Solana Foundation. And I think we have a massive potential for this bull run. And if you want to buy TARS AI, I think right now is the chance also very good. But if we're coming back into the zone, seeing bullish price action, this would be an amazing chance. And if the whole crypto market is dumping, then we have this potential zone here for TARS AI. Thank you very much for watching. I wish you great profits at trading and see you in the next one.